Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're discussing an important topic for anyone involved in construction projects: construction variation orders. If you've ever wondered what happens when plans change mid-project, how costs are affected, or how legal responsibilities are allocated, this video will explain the essentials in clear, practical terms. Imagine this. You're midway through a building project, perhaps a home renovation, an office fit-out, or a large infrastructure project. Suddenly, the client wants to change the specification, add extra work, or alter the design. Alternatively, unforeseen issues arise on site that require adjustments to the original plan. In construction law, these changes are formalized through what is known as a construction variation order. A variation order, sometimes simply called a variation, is a formal document that authorizes changes to the scope, cost, or schedule of a construction contract. While construction projects rarely run exactly as planned, managing variations correctly is crucial. Failure to follow proper procedures can lead to disputes, delays, and increased costs, making it essential for both contractors and clients to understand their rights and obligations. Under English construction law, most standard contracts, including JCT, NEC, and FIDIC forms, include clauses that govern variations. These clauses specify how changes should be instructed, agreed upon, priced, and recorded. Typically, the process begins with a written instruction from the client or contract administrator detailing the proposed change. The contractor then assesses the impact on cost and schedule and issues a quotation or proposal for the variation. Once agreed, the variation is formally documented and appended to the contract. The legal significance of a variation order is that it formally modifies the original contract. It sets out exactly what work is to be done, how much it will cost, and any adjustments to the completion date. By recording variations in writing, both parties reduce the risk of misunderstandings and disputes later on. Consider a scenario where a client decides to upgrade the kitchen specification midway through a residential refurbishment. Without a properly documented variation order, the contractor could be expected to carry out the extra work at the original contract rate, potentially leading to disputes over cost. By issuing a formal variation order, the additional work is agreed upon, priced, and scheduled, protecting both the client and contractor. Variation orders are not just about cost. They can also affect timelines, quality standards, and liability for defects. For instance, if the variation introduces new materials or methods, the contract may specify who bears the risk if something goes wrong. Properly managing variations ensures that responsibilities remain clear and that both parties are protected under the contract. This is where construction solicitors, like us at Blackstone, play a vital role. We help clients review variation clauses, ensure that instructions are properly documented, and advise on potential cost or liability implications. We also assist in resolving disputes arising from variations, whether through negotiation, mediation, or litigation. Early legal guidance can prevent small changes from escalating into major contractual conflicts. In summary, a construction variation order is a formal mechanism for managing changes to a construction project. It protects both clients and contractors by clearly recording changes to scope, cost, and schedule. Properly handling variations is essential to avoid disputes, ensure timely completion, and maintain the integrity of the contract. At Blackstone Solicitors, we specialize in construction law and contract management, helping clients navigate variations, manage risks, and protect their interests. If you're dealing with changes to a construction project and want to ensure your rights are protected, get in touch with our team. We'll guide you through the process and help you avoid unnecessary disputes. Thank you for watching. For more insights on construction law, contracts, and dispute resolution, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay informed about your legal rights.